is Anastasia Soare and I'm the creator of Anastasia Beverly Hills. Welcome to my store in Beverly Hills. I would love to give you a tour because I'm so excited. Our products will be on Feelunique. So we have Complexion here, stick foundation, amazing, amazing colors. We have from alabaster for very light to dark skin. The coverage is great and blends beautiful. As well, we have 4 colors as stick contour. So much easier to do it. If you travel, for me, my favorite thing is to travel with the stick foundation, and my color is natural. So stick foundation is great. We have highlighter. This is Moonchild. I know England loves Moonchild. It's a holographic highlighter, beautiful colors, phenomenal, easy to blend. This is Aurora, different colors. We have Liquid Glow, 4 colors, that is amazing. This you could mix with your body cream and you could use it on body, but look at that. I mean, it's beautiful. And Sun Dipped, another kit, highlighter kit. So we have you cover everybody and everyone that needs an highlighter. We have it. Beautiful. Right here we have Blush Trio, beautiful colors. We have Berry Adore, Peachy Love, Pool Party, Cocktail Party, and Pink Passion. It's a trio. You could use an individual color or you could use a mixed. As well, you could use the darker as a contouring and the lighter on the upper part of your cheekbone. Well, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my tour. Big kiss from Beverly Hills, and visit us at Feelunique. Bye, guys.